everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show when I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Nissin Tsuruhashi Fugetsu Yakisoba. Forget about it. Forget about it. Takes 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to burn my fingers on this, I swear. So this is an interesting one. It mentioned in the ingredients there's banana. That's kind of weird. There's a sachet. There's a big old wide noodle block, and then some schmutz that comes with it. Why is this not so zoomed out? I'm kind of confused here, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Why aren't you zoomed out? Oh well. Let's add some of this Berlin water up to just covering this sucker. Now you're floating. I'm floating the boat. Okay, and then we've got our 5 minutes. So yeah, today is a day, and this is the third review of the day. It's not even 9 a.m., so I'll go and get this all done, and we'll see what happens after that. Hey, yeah, it's Saturday. What are you doing? Anyways, that real quick. Yes, man, it's crazy getting. Why is this thing not zoomed out? I'm confused. Did I push an extra button that I didn't need to push? There we go, right? That button. I don't know. How about I do this? There we go. Sometimes the manual way is better. But yeah, I'm telling you, you gotta get a monopod for your little arm for your old phone. Don't trade it in. Do time lapses. Do your own show. It's kind of neat. I'm using this thing called Team Viewer. You put it on your old phone and you put it on your new phone, and you can use your new phone as a monitor for your old phone. So I can basically see what's going on my old phone. It's really choppy, but it doesn't matter. I just need to make sure things are in the center. So that's cool. I like that. Oh. And that reminds me, I need to get new music, and I think maybe that'll happen this morning too while I'm rendering video. Slap on the old cans on my head and just start getting tunes off my licensed thing for Epidemic Sound. People often ask me, where do you get all your music from? Like, Epidemic Sound. I'm like, I've got this, I'm in a program, and that's one of the perks of it, is that I get to use that. And then there's another one that's for like video clips. So when you see the bottom 10 list, if you look for that, there'll be like gross things, you know, because it's like my least favorite varieties. So there's gross things on that are in the background while it's like queuing up different varieties. Those are from that. For the top 10 list, I did stuff from like different countries. So like number 10 was from Indonesia, so I found a neat panoramic shot of mountains in Indonesia. I think they're in Sumatra or Bali. I can't remember, but they're neat looking. But they've got just like this huge library of video clips, which is really handy. I just wish I could use whatever I wanted, but I know that's not how the world works. Not with how licensing is. But yeah. So maybe today we're gonna go out and get a new housing unit for the guinea pigs. Our little friends. Hey, little friend. Do. Yeah. You can go say hi. I should go say hi to the guinea pigs. They're over there. They're doing happy little things. Come on. Zoom in. Zoom in. guinea pig time. There's Petunia. Hey, Petunia. And yeah, there she is. Wait, I don't even know what I'm looking at here. Like that zoomed in on her. Oh, I see. It's another thing. And then there's Louise, and somewhere in there is Betty. She kind of broods in there. She's all cranky. They're pretty neat. They're fun little friends. Yeah, because I think maybe you can see why I kept this thing, because the zoom on it is just like out of sight. But yeah. Yes. Today is a day. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be hot. Hot. And it's almost done already. That was quick. But yeah. Today is Saturday. Alright, let's drain this thing. It's gonna hurt. Give it a little swizzle. Yeah, this thing works really well for doing yakisoba without having to deal with the tray. I'm not into that. Alright. Let's put that there. I'm gonna put this here. I don't know what happened with that. My marinating bowl for stuff seemed to spring a leak. Whoa, baby, there we go. Okay, there's that. We'll use this lid, or rather this bowl. Yeah, so for the eggs that you see in the show, basically is that really it? Yeah. So there's you soft boil the eggs, and I have a Ziploc bag that has a mixture of soy sauce and water. These eggs generally are just used for looking at, because I don't eat them. And I know that really drives some people nuts, but yeah. Can't eat 3 eggs a day and 3 bowls of ramen every day. You can, but I've opted not to. Such a waste. It's like, hey, I do more with I play with my food more than you do a lot of the time. But yeah, I would love to partake of all the tasty looking things that you see on the show, but generally I eat what at least especially lately, I've literally been having like a slurp and a bite, and that's it. So alright, let's give this a try. There's squid. Can I help you?
Yes.
What?
Taking this tag off.
Oh, you want to tag off your shirt? I can do that. So don't pull it. You don't want to rip your shirt. Hold on. I got it. I got you. It would make a hole. Better? Alright, there you go, buddy. Yes. That's how it's done. What do we got here? Let's start with this. We'll try a little taste of this. I'm guessing this is pork. Or actually more beefy. Definitely a wider gauge noodle than usual for yakisoba. It's almost like it's pretending to be yaki udon, but it's not. And I guess these noodles have more egg in them. It's special for the region that this company Zen Pop's in. They mentioned that this is like a special variety for this only sold in that region, so we get a spatial one. Yeah, cool. It's not bad. It's a very sweet yakisoba. It mentioned banana being in the ingredients, which is I don't really get like, wow, that tastes like bananas, but it might be in the sauce. Alright. Last one of the day. I feel like I've gotten a lot done this morning. Hoo hee hoo hee hoo. One of those. Okay. Extra charred. So I used to use these torches for, like, honestly, for lighting cigarettes way back in the day, but the thing is, they'd always die off. I'd get the tanks of fuel and I was like, what the heck's going on? So I'd like try to charge it up and then it wouldn't work, and it's like, what the heck? So my wife got me this thing for this purpose. I don't smoke anymore. I vape, but I don't smoke. And what's funny is, like, I'm like, don't you do it this way? And she like reads the directions. What a novel concept, right? So she reads the directions. She's like, you do this, this, and this. I'm like, so basically you flip the torch upside down, put the can of, it kind of looks like a can of hairspray, put that butane can in there. What's that? What's going on here? Why aren't you? There we go. That's a little better. And then you push on it until you start, it'll go, and then all of a sudden you'll hear like bubbles coming out, and that's when you stop. And then you put it right side up and let it sit for like 10 minutes. It's like, what? Works. We're gonna get crazy on this one. I'm adding 2, count them. Whoa, I didn't realize the bowl was really 2 pieces of Narutomaki. You know, the fork's just not working for this so well. I want a mound of this stuff. Because if I were to scarf this down, I would want a big mountain of spring onion. But that's just how I roll. Oh boy. And sometimes I roll. Sometimes I roll. Sesame seed. And a little bit of shichimi. Right on top of that, I guess. I don't know. What I want is more. You know what I really want is to meet somebody who makes bowls and plates and stuff, like professionally, that wants me to showcase their stuff. Because the one that I really like for yakisoba, I've been using a lot lately, and I gotta switch it up. I don't want you to see the same one over and over, you know? But I've got a big plate, like a dinner plate, that has like a little center dip in it, and that one works really well. But anyways, rotato. Well, it just hit 9 on the nose, so that's not bad. All done. All right. You guys have a good weekend or whatever day this is coming out. Probably going to be like a Monday, right? Well, whatever day it is, I hope you have a good one. All right. Bye-bye.